So we just finished baseball right now, my son's first baseball game, and I brought my newest Princess Petunia bag. So I wanted to show you guys what I have in here so far. This is the paper they gave us for pictures next week. I have that in this front pocket, and I had a meeting earlier in the week, so I still have my pens in here, which should go in one. And then this is currently empty, but I need to fill it with some little snacks. This pocket's empty. I have our water bottle, and in here I have my son's baseball, and then up here in this top pocket, nothing's in there right now, but I did have my cell phone in here earlier because it was hot, so I didn't want it to overheat, and I put it in here. And then we are full up right now in this bag. I did have my gimbal in here, but since I'm using it to record, it's not in here at the moment. And then I have my son's baseball. He's playing in the playground right now. So I have his baseball in here. I have his really cute little shirt, Tiny Tots, yay! And then I have a Petunia Pickle right now. And I have just some snacks in here. I have some chips, I have some cookies, and I have candies, which he hasn't asked for yet, so it's still full as of right now. That's that one. Let me kind of show you what it looks like inside right now. That's what it kind of looks like. And then I have my headphones in here, so if I wanted to listen to music or anything. I also have a makeup pixel in here, and also with feminine products. And then in here I have a wet bag, but it has the potty seat, and it has a few seat covers. So we have that in the wet bag. This is the smaller of the two wet bags. And then I also have in this seat right here, I have this, which I should be using right now because I'm on the grass, so I could be using it. And then I also have some paperwork in here for work. And then I also have his tablet device, which we try to take everywhere. And in the tablet, it's just back here in the mesh area. And then that's what I have in here. I don't have anything in this little back pocket currently. And then if you flip over the backpack, in my hidden pocket, I do have my personal wallet with my my money and whatnot in there. So that's what I have today. And just to repack it to show you guys, I'm putting all of this back in, and it's obviously with the tablet, it's going to make it a little bit more. What's going on here? Something's jamming. It's getting caught. It got caught on the hoops for the thing. But it's obviously going to be a little heavier because I have my tablet, my son's tablet in here, which is totally fine, and it's comfortable, and I can wear this no problem for a while. And then putting it all back just to kind of show you guys. It's going back, no problem, fine and easy. I want to kind of keep this nice, so I'm just putting it right back on top and right back in there. And let's close it all back up. And we are good to go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye!